The Tomo card is built around a no-fee structure in its basic setup, and most users don't see traditional credit card costs like annual fees or security deposits. By the end of this, you'll understand how the Tomo card fee system actually works, what you're paying for in real terms, and where costs can still show up even when a card is advertised as fee-free. Start with the core structure. The Tomo card is an unsecured credit card designed for people building credit without needing a deposit. That means you're not locking up cash up front like you would with a secured credit card. Instead, approval is based on your financial profile and banking activity. Now look at the main fee structure. Tomo is known for having no annual fee on its standard offering. That removes the most common fixed cost most credit cards charge every year. There is also no security deposit requirement, which eliminates another upfront cost barrier. Next is how payments actually work. The card is designed to encourage full monthly payments. If you pay your balance in full, you typically avoid interest charges entirely. That makes your usage behavior the main factor in your real cost. Now look at interest and balance costs. If you carry a balance from one billing cycle to the next, interest can be applied to the remaining amount. That is the primary way costs appear with the Tomo card. So even though there are no obvious fees, interest can still make the card expensive if it is not managed carefully. Next is how rewards or benefits fit in. Some users may receive access to rewards or credit-building benefits depending on eligibility and account status. These benefits are designed to offset usage, not replace responsible repayment behavior. Now look at the real fee schedule perspective. The important thing is that Tomo does not rely on fixed recurring fees. Instead, cost is tied to how you use the card and whether you carry debt month to month. Next is where confusion happens. People often assume a no-fee card means completely free usage. But in reality, the cost shifts from fees to interest risk and spending behavior. Now the key reality. Tomo is designed as a credit-building tool that rewards consistent repayment and responsible usage rather than generating revenue through annual or monthly charges. To sum it up, the Tomo card fee structure is built around no annual fee and no deposit, with potential costs only appearing through interest if you carry a balance. Next step is simple. Before using the card, decide if you can consistently pay your full balance every month, because that one habit determines whether your cost stays near zero or increases through interest. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more credit card breakdowns, fintech explanations, and simple guides that make credit tools easier to understand.